good news about Jesus has come to Mark chapter 15 from verse 1 to verse 15. Jesus in front of Pilate. Early in the morning, after the head priest them, the elder them, the law teacher and the other Jew leader them make them plan, them tie up Jesus and lead him where go turn him over to Pilate. So Pilate asked him say, "You are the Jew them king?" Jesus answered him say, "Are you say so?" Then the leader for the priest them start say all sort of sitting against him. So Pilate asked him again say, "You hear how much bad sitting them say you do? Listen, you don't hear all the terrible sitting them where them say against you." But Jesus still never say a word. And that one day lick Pilate for 6. Every Passover holiday, Pilate would have free one prisoner. Anyone where the people them ask for. Now, one man named Barabbas and some other criminal did in a prison for murder after them did rile up the people against the government. Then the crowd of people come to Pilate and start begging him for free one prisoner for them like him always do. So him ask them say, "Unu want me lego the Jew them king you know?" Cause him know say the leader for the priest them they turn him over to him sake of bad mind. But the head priest them rile up the crowd for ask Pilate for let go Barabbas. So Pilate asked them again say, "Then when you want me for do with the one when you call the Jew them king?" Them bawl out say, "Kill him pon the cross." Pilate asked them say, "What make? When do wrong?" But them bawl out louder, "Kill him pon the cross." Pilate didn't want to make the crowd of people happy, so him let go Barabbas. Then he make the soldier them beat Jesus. After that, him turn him over to them for them kill him on the cross. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.